welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily. I make beauty and lifestyle content videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Welcome. Today, I have to curl this hair and I figured why not film a video, right? All right. Today I'm going to be using my Kristin Ess 1-inch curling iron. I also have the Kristin Ess waver curling wand that rotates. This one does not, but I think I like this more. I also used, this is not sponsored. I've already used my Kristin Ess dry conditioner as my heat protector, and I have my Kristin Ess brush. Not sponsored. But if you're interested, I do have another Kristin Ess video that you can watch. I've got it linked down below. And I go through kind of my whole hair care routine using her products because I am a fangirl. So my curling iron has just heated up, and let's get to sectioning my hair. A little backstory, my hair is very thick. It's naturally wavy. I've blow dried it, so the wave is mostly gone, but just generally it's a frizz ball. So I'm gonna throw some heat on it and hope for the best. My hair is thick. There's a lot of it. It typically takes me a very long time to do my hair, hence the usual fun bun, hence the name of this YouTube channel, which is Emily Fun Bun. Subscribe. God, I hate me. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is section off the hair. So when I curl my hair, I do it a couple different ways, but generally I'm going for like a natural wave. I'm going to a trivia night at a brewery, so I don't need to be like, you know, formal hair. I don't think I've ever done formal hair, but whatever. I like to start with a back section right here, which this looks like a lot of hair, but it's really not. It's a pretty small section. I just have thick hair. And I'm gonna start going away from my face. So I put the clamp towards you guys, and then I clamp it and smooth it down about halfway, and then rotate, and then pull it down a little bit, and then rotate all the way. And I do have a section of hair that is not in the barrel, and that is intentional, just to kind of give it more of a wave. When I take the curl out, I just let it smooth out. So that will give me, I don't know if you can see that, that'll give me a little bit more of a beachy natural wave. Hopefully that'll make more sense as I go. So I'm gonna do that to all of this side. This, again, it seems like a much bigger chunk, but it's not. So about halfway, curl the top, and then slide it down and go all the way. And then, ooh, pull it out. You see? Okay, so that is the bottom layer. As you can tell, they're not like super big bouncy curls because I'm pulling them out, like not pulling on my hair, but I'm sliding the hair out of the wand rather than out of the clip, rather than just unclipping it and letting the hair fall. And that's what I want. I don't want the super big bouncy voluminous curls. If that's what you want, let me know down below and I can show you how I do that as well. So that's the bottom. I did both sides, all of the hair facing back. We're gonna throw that to the back, and I'm gonna take a little claw clip and just hold all that back so that I don't end up curling the same hair twice. Now we're gonna take down the next section. Okay, I'm gonna do basically the same thing, but I'm gonna alternate the direction of the curls. So for this one, we're gonna go back, and then this one we're gonna curl towards the face, so the clip is going behind, and then rotate it towards me. Okay, so you can see the difference in these two curls, I hope. Not really. Hopefully you'll see it better when I brush it out. But the reason why I'm alternating the direction on this layer is so that the curls don't lump together. Okay, your girl is Shirley Temple. I didn't mention that I was curling my hair at 425 degrees, which is the highest setting. If your hair is colored or not as thick and lion maney as mine, you do not need to go that high, okay? But if you have a hard time getting your thick virgin hair to curl, I give you permission. You have permission from a non-expert who literally named her channel after not being able to do my own hair. So this is what we're working with. Some of the curls are still pretty warm, so I'm gonna let them cool, let them chill, literally. If you don't have time, you can hit it with your hairdryer on low. I like my Kristin Ess hairdryer, no surprise. But I'm just gonna let this chill for a second. Be right back. Okay friends, it is now the moment of truth where we rake out the curls and see what we're rocking. It could be fun waves, it could be another fun bun. We just don't know. Perfect. Yes, hair, thank you so much. I'm gonna brush out the ends a little bit, just make it a little bit softer. And I'm gonna do some dry conditioner on my ends again. And maybe a little bit right here where it's just a little much. All right, so that is my hair. It's got a lot of body, a lot of movement. I don't need a whole bunch of hairspray. It's good. I think a couple things to note about this iron is that I prefer clamps for my hair type because you're getting that even heat distributed from the bottom and the top of the hair. So I feel like that extra bit of heat helps my curls stay a little bit longer, and I don't feel like I have to leave it on the iron quite as long. That's kind of a double-edged sword because you're still getting the same amount of heat. It's just more evenly dispersed. So it's not necessarily like healthier for your hair or anything, but just keep that in mind. In terms of my technique, I do like to curl the top and then move down and curl the bottom, as you saw. That is not always the case because generally my hair is about 3 inches shorter than it currently is. And that changes based on the length of my hair because your girl is not responsible enough to get haircuts on a routine basis. I just don't have my life together like that, okay? I also slide the ends out of the iron so that the ends are not nearly as curly as the rest of my hair. That is great if you want your hair to look a little bit longer. So if your hair is shorter and you don't want it to look like, you know, this, that's a great technique. It's also good if you just want your hair to look longer, you know. I am at an awkward length, so I feel like this is good so that it does look like my hair is intentionally long and not just like I haven't cut it since September. Okay, just airing all my dirty laundry today. Cool. That's it. That's my hair. I'm gonna go do some Friends trivia right now. Cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It is incredible that you're watching this video because there's a whole internet to consume and you chose me. That's incredible. I really appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed this. If you want to watch more hair videos, I do have my Kristin Ess video. I'll try to link some other hair videos. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and I will try to make more hair videos. Maybe how I straighten my hair. Who knows? Let's get crazy. Give me some suggestions. Oh, down below, let me know your favorite heat protectant, because I like my heat protectants, but I don't love my heat protectants. I love the dry conditioner, but you know, that's for different reasons. Yeah, cool. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. I post every Tuesday and Thursday at this point. We'll see how that goes. Subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up. Instagram at Emily Funbun. What else am I forgetting? I have to tell you guys so much every time. The life of an Emily. All right, bye.